We will start with example number 6.1. But before going on into the questions, now I want to say you one thing, that the first step how you take and how you proceed with your question is going to bring you the answer. There are several identities and several formulas here. So be particular with which identity or which formula you are going to take for that particular sum, so that you reach at the right hand side RHS answer. If you are going to take up the sum with wrong identity or wrong formula, then you will not derive at the sums. So for this trigonometry lesson particularly, you need several times practice. By practice only you will come to know which need to be taken first. So you need to do these sums again and again to be thorough with the problems. First one, prove that tan square theta minus sin square theta is equal to tan square theta into sin square theta. So they have given you tan square theta minus sin square theta. Take LHS. Tan square theta minus sin square theta. Now you also have formula for tan square theta as secant square theta minus 1. But if you take that identity here, you won't derive at this formula. So for this particular sum, what you need to take, that only you need to take. For tan square theta, you can write it as sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta. So now take LCM. Sin square theta minus sin square theta cos square theta divided by cos square theta. Now from these two things take sin square theta common out. 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos square theta. So sin square theta, 1 minus cos square theta is again sin square theta by cos square theta. So now sin square theta divided by cos square theta into sin square theta. So sin square theta divided by cos square theta is tan square theta into sin square theta, which is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Now you have started with LHS and you have derived at RHS. Now example number 6.2. Prove that sin A by 1 plus cos A is equal to 1 minus cos A by sin A. For this types of sum I can give you a hint. So sin A by 1 plus cos A. Whenever 1 plus cos A or this type comes here, you should take a conjugate and multiply. Multiply and divide by its conjugate. This is the procedure. For this type of sums alone, mostly what we will do, we will take up the conjugate and we will multiply and divide by the conjugate. Now 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A into 1 minus cos A. Now this is of the form A plus B into A minus B, which is equal to A square minus B square. This is an algebraic identity. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So now sin A into 1 minus cos A divided by, you can write this as 1 square minus cos square A. So 1 minus cos square A, you can write it as sin A into 1 minus cos A divided by 1 minus cos square A is nothing but sin square A. Now sin square A is nothing but sin A into sin A. So 1 sin A and this sin A gets cancelled. You will get 1 minus cos A by sin A, which is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Next example number 6.3. Prove that 1 plus cot square theta by 1 plus cosecant theta is equal to cosecant theta. So here in the first step, we will take our LHS. Instead of cot square theta, we can write, you can use the identity cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. So I am going to use the identity here. So this RHS becomes 1 plus cosecant square theta minus 1 by 1 plus cosecant theta. So this 1 plus cosecant theta, I am going to write it as cosecant theta plus 1. Nothing is going to change now. 1 plus cosecant theta is equal to cosecant theta plus 1. So for my convenience, I am writing like this. 1 plus a square minus b square. What we saw previously, a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b, a minus b. You will use the algebraic identity. Then here cosecant theta plus 1. Now this and this gets cancelled. You will get 1 plus cosecant theta minus 1. Now first time, second time you will get 1 plus cosecant theta minus 1. This plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled. You will get cosecant theta, which is equal to RHS. Hence proved. So this first step what you are taking here is very important. You need to take cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Then you will use the algebraic identity here. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This is used here. Next example number 6.4. Prove that secant theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta into sin theta. So first we will take LHS. Cos theta. Now instead of secant theta we will write 1 by cos theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. Now take LCM. So 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. Now 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. You have the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So cos theta. Now I am going to split this sin square theta. I am going to write it as sin theta into sin theta by cos theta. Or I will put this cos theta here. Sin theta by cos theta into sin theta. Now sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. So tan theta into sin theta, which is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Next, example number 6.5. Prove that root 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. Now we will take the LHS. Now already for the previous sum I told you that if it is of this form 1 minus cos theta or cos theta plus 1 like that, we will take up multiply and divide the numerator and the denominator by its conjugate. So what is the conjugate of 1 minus cos theta? It is 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So why we are putting like this? These two gets cancelled and this will become 1. So we are not making any change to this equation. So we are multiplying and dividing by its conjugate. Now again the same thing. A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. So 1 square minus cos square theta. Here it will be 1 plus cos theta the whole square. 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta the whole square. Now you cannot cancel this square and root like this. Don't make that mistake because you have 1 minus here. So don't make that mistake. 1 plus cos theta the whole square divided by, now 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. You have the identity. Now you can cancel the root. See, 1 plus cos theta the whole square divided by sin square theta the whole root. So square and root gets cancelled. Square and root gets cancelled. You will get 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. So now we have got 1 plus cos theta by sin theta. Take this. Now, see the RHS here. What is there? You need to prove cosecant theta plus cot theta. Now split this. 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. So now 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta plus cos theta by sin theta is cot theta, which is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Next example number 6.6. Prove that secant theta by sin theta minus sin theta by cos theta is equal to cot theta. Now take the LHS. Now instead of secant theta I am going to substitute 1 by cos theta, because we have secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta divided by sin theta minus sin theta by cos theta. Now here it is like sin theta by 1. So take reciprocal. 1 by cos theta into sin theta minus sin theta by cos theta. Now take LCM. You have cos theta here, sin theta here, but no sin theta here. So you will multiply this by sin theta. So you will get 1 minus sin square theta by cos theta sin theta. Now 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta by cos theta into sin theta. The square and this gets cancelled. You will get cos theta by sin theta, which is equal to cot theta equal to RHS. Hence proved. Mostly for trigonometric sums you need to know to do LCM very clearly. So for LCM part I will put a separate video for that. Be clear with the LCM and then you can do the same LCM here and you can find out the values. Next example number 6.7. Prove that sin square A cos square B plus cos square A sin square B plus cos square A cos square B plus sin square A sin square B is equal to 1. So now take the LHS. First step what we are going to do is we are going to take these two things and we are going to take sin square A commonly out. So you will get cos square B plus sin square B. Similarly I am going to take these two and I am going to take cos square A commonly out. So I will get sin square B plus cos square B. Now you have the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And even here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now you will get sin square A plus cos square A. Now again sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, which is equal to RHS. Hence proved.